So I'm here now at the secret terrace, but I guess after I'm finished, it's not gonna be a big secret anymore. Good morning. I'm here in Sukhumvit Soy 23 in front of a brand new building called the Muniq Sukhumvit 23. And you guys know that I love to show anything new in Bangkok. So, you know, we just went to see the new train station. But of course, in my job as Sukhumvit Homes, I get to see a lot of new buildings as well. So for that today, I want to give you a little tour of Muniq 23. I think this is a pretty cool way to park your car. I see that in a lot of new buildings they have these automated car parks. You just drive your car in here and then they will put it in the right box. So let me show you the entrance here. Yeah, all super modern. I mean, the building opened just a couple of months ago, and I already went upstairs and I filmed a very nice 90 square meters 2-bedroom. After that, I will show you the rooftop facilities, which include a swimming pool and a very nice gym. Yeah, coming to a building like this is almost like opening a present. You never know exactly what to expect, but most of the time there is always some new developments. They always have new technologies, so I'm very happy to share that. So see you guys at the room. So this down here is Soy 23, and this building just opened last month. And this is the first time that I'm gonna come and check an apartment. By the way, this is the Terrace building on Sukhumvit 21. So yeah, I'm here to check out this room. This is a 90 square meter 2-bedroom. I mean, if you want to have proof that everything comes straight out of the package, I just put all the boxes here outside. So all new. One of the nice things that I notice here is that there is this little garden right outside of this unit, from where you have a pretty cool view, might I say. Yeah, so let me show you a little bit more of the room. The facilities are on the 35th and 36th floor, which I will show you a little bit later. Yeah, so this is a 90 square meter room. The asking price is 80,000 baht, but that's basically because of the location and because it's brand new. Yeah, from here it's just a very short walk to the Asok BTS station and the Sukhumvit MRT. I think it looks pretty nice. Yeah, it's almost like opening Christmas presents, right? I really love when I have the opportunity to see a new room or a new building. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not wearing a mask because when I'm inside here, I don't have to social distance myself, right? Yeah, I already made a video for Sukhumvit Home, so I will link it in here as well, so that you can have a look. Okay, so let me show you the facilities, which on the 36th floor there is a gym, on the 35th floor there is a swimming pool. So I'll see you guys upstairs. So I'm here now at the secret terrace, but I guess after I'm finished, it's not gonna be a big secret anymore. Yeah, what I really love about all these new projects that they are building in Bangkok is that they really make an effort now to get nice terraces on the rooftops. You know, if you look at the older buildings, they mostly have the facilities on the 9th floor or on the 20th floor, but they don't do a lot on the rooftop. But all these new buildings, they really realize that this is an asset. So this is the rooftop of the Muniq 23. By the way, if you're interested in renting that apartment, just drop me a line, info@sukhumvithomes.com, and we can hook you up with a viewing, and we can even hook you up with the room. So let me go downstairs, let me go one floor down. So this is called the Rooftop Panorama Lounge. Yeah, we're in the middle of the day here now, but if you come here in the evening, this is absolutely stunning. I think it is already a little bit stunning. Yeah, you have great views of the whole Prompong and Sukhumvit area here. I see they make it semi-open there, so let's have a look. So here in front, this is the interchange office building, and actually down here you have Soi Cowboy. That's the entrance of Soi 23. Yeah, I always like to make these videos for you guys also. You know, already for a very long time I do this job, and many times I'm thinking like, wow, I should share this, and now I can finally do it, and I love it. So here you have Soi 21. Cannot really see what I'm seeing here, but I know it's the Terminal 21. There you have the Ashton. Okay, let's go. I'll show you the gym and the swimming pool, and then you have a good idea about the Muniq. What I said, if you're interested, drop me a line, info@sukhumvithomes.com. So here I am at the fitness area, and I really noticed that everywhere they have these little terraces so that you can enjoy the view. I really like that idea. So there's a theater room here. I'm not able to get in there now, but I guess there's a theater in there, right? And then here, a nice gym with very modern equipment. See, you have your television screens where you can watch your YouTube and everything. And enough weights. Okay, so this is on the 36th floor, and if you're at the rooftop that I just showed you before, that should be then 37 or 38. Here you have a nicer view of Sukhumvit Soi 21. So let me show you the swimming pool area. So here I am at the swimming pool area, and I just noticed this feature. So there's this glass bottom where you can see through. Again, beautiful views from here. Let me show you a little bit more. It's a nice waterfall. Yeah, so the swimming pool is covered here on the inside, but then here in front you can enjoy a little bit of the sun. I think the Muniq is a very nice building, so I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.